Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This one is not going to require a degree. It's decently paying. It is non-phone. You just need to have some great typing skills. We're going to dive all into it. The links to all the pages I share are always directly linked in the YouTube description box below this video. And I always just ask that if you enjoy job leads like this, let me know that I am on the right track. You can give me that direct feedback by giving this video a thumbs up like button or putting something in the comments below. And don't forget to share with all your friends and family so we can all work from home. Today's job lead is from the company Easy Cater. Now, Easy Cater has 291 reviews on Glassdoor with a 4.3 out of 5-star rating. They are looking for a remote menu specialist. Now, Easy Cater is a trusted provider of corporate food solutions, and it has a built-for-business corporate food platform that is flexible and scalable. But they are basically looking for somebody to transcribe and review all of their great menus on the website. So the basis of the job is going to be typing those menu items and transcribing it into the website. You're going to work with websites, third-party platforms, spreadsheets, and documents to compile, process, and transcribe these items, prices, and dietary information into their homegrown platform and tool. You're going to review menus and revise for quality aligned with their internal style standards. Your key performance indicators are going to be based on the quality and quantity that you are keying into the system and modifying menus. So basically, just typing things into the system. Now, best thing about this job is they're not requiring any kind of college degree. They want somebody who holds themselves to high quality of standard, especially when it comes to details. Someone who can type 75 words per minute and someone who is a big picture thinker. Now, other than that, you've got to be comfortable working with a high volume list of various tasks and being able to prioritize yourself. You also got to be a team player. But if you can do that, pay for this position is anywhere from $45,000 a year all the way up to $53,000 a year. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for, because I do read those and keep that in mind. Don't forget, if you enjoy job leads like this, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up, like button, share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.